In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Zoom meeting in your home computer. So if you are working from home, or if you are unable to, if you want to set up a meeting with a client, then Zoom is a very popular software that is used for that purpose today. So if you want to download, first you have to download and create a Zoom account. So for that, you have to go to the Zoom website. So I just Google Zoom and I will click on this link, and here you have to sign up and create a free account, and go ahead and just do that. I will show you how to do that in the next section. Okay, after signing in, there will be a link to that will direct you to the download page. So click on the download page link to direct you to the download page like this, and download the Zoom client. It is free, and when you click on this button, it will start downloading your Zoom client. Now click on the download file and click open to install the Zoom client. This will start installing the Zoom client. Okay, after installing the Zoom client, you have to sign in using your email and password that you gave at sign up, and then you have to sign into the Zoom software. So you will see this dashboard. You can create a new meeting. That means you will be the initiator, you will be initiate a meeting, or you can join a meeting that is already there. So if your client or somebody sent you a link, then you can join a meeting here and enter the meeting ID, your name, and then click join. Or else you can create a meeting like this, where you will see yourself, and then you can test your computer audio, and then you can add participants as well. Here you can disable video if you want, and you can control your audio settings from here. You can record the screen and do many other things. Okay, that's it for this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe below.